You know the channel loves Ryobi torches? Well, here's another one. Hi, good morning, welcome back to Mike Makes It. The channel loves LED torches and Ryobi in particular. And here's another one. It's the latest out from Ryobi. Came out just before Christmas, I believe. That's when I bought this one. 3-year warranty if you register it within 30 days. Don't forget that. I do. It's a little bit different to the normal torches you've seen. Let's move the box out of the way. They claim it's a 360-degree light. Basically, there's the body of the torch. Let's take the battery out. That's what you get for £99 from Ryobi. Cardboard box, book of words, and the torch body itself. But I got it primarily for the Land Rover. You saw one earlier I put on the channel that I use on the Land Rover, but this is even better. I got quite a gap under the Land Rover before you hit the chassis. Basically, you can climb under a Land Rover without having to put it up on ramps, etc. There's quite a ground clearance. So this torch will be ideal because I can do that. And I can do that. So it's going to illuminate the underside of the vehicle, which will be ideal when you're working on the Land Rover, which I have done in the past. If you look at the current videos online, I've done a lot of work. But this is a Ryobi torch. The model is R18L360. In my case, -0 because it didn't come with a battery. The claim from Ryobi is 506 run minutes on a 4 amp battery. I'll just say that again. 506 minutes run time on a 4 amp Ryobi battery. Now I suspect that's just with this element illuminated. Let me plug the battery in without trying to blind you. There's a few functions on here. You've got the simple on off switch, which will switch on. If you hold it for 2 seconds, 1, 2, just the front segment lights up. None of these at the side, okay? So you could use this as a torch if you're wandering around in the back garden looking for squirrels, okay? So you can hold it there, obviously, just the front segments illuminated. Press the button again, it'll go off. If you press it once and let go straight away, all 4 segments are illuminated. I won't blind the camera, but all these 4 segments are now illuminated, and that is 3,500 lumens. Press the button once more, 2,100. Press it again, 1,200 lumens. They're all still illuminated. Press it for the last time, just the front segments illuminated. Now, you haven't got to hold it for 2 seconds. Well, I should say, let's turn it off. If you wanted to get this front section only, you can hold it for 2 seconds, or you can toddle through until just the front section's illuminated. Entirely up to you. If you remember 2 seconds and it lights up, that's great. If not, just toddle through. But yeah, as I say, that's just a short, quick video on the Ryobi torch, the R18L360. Very handy for my Land Rover. I'm sure it'll be handy for your various applications if you wish to get it. But at the moment, Ryobi, £99. One thing I will mention, if you're a bit of a tent dweller, that lifts up and you can hook that in your tent, or in fact in your favourite workshop. It feels quite substantial, the hook. I don't think it's going to break. The torch without the battery, like that, weighs 1 kilogram. So it's got its applications, and certainly that's why I bought it now to get on the Land Rover, and that's what I'm going to be doing in a few minutes. But thanks for watching Mike Makes It.